Hello, party people. Hello. It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. Hello, hello. I want to talk to you today about this cabin kit. I just picked it up at Taylors Falls Bead Store, and I'm going to make it available on my website and in my Etsy shop. So if there's anybody who is interested in maybe starting out trying to make their own jewelry, or maybe they already have started some of the hobby, but they're looking for some, some tools and things, this is a good kit. Or also, if you just need a travel kit, this is a great one. So in here, in this kit, you're going to get 100 crimps, 6 lobster claw clasps, 6 large rings, 15 wire guards, 10 jump rings, 1 3-in-1 plier. So the 3-in-1 plier is a wire cutter, a pliers, and a round nose pliers, and that is this red one right here. And you're also going to get a crimping plier and 5 feet of soft flex stringy wire. So the thing that impressed me most about this kit, cabin kit, is this is my crimping tool, and it's the same tool that's in there because this is where I buy my tools from. And I bought this one separately for $14. So this is the most expensive tool that I own. And so it really impressed me that it was in the kit. So yeah, this is just like a little travel kit. It's the cabin kit. It's a starter out kit. And in my opinion, I would recommend it. These are some of the tools that I use, and yeah, I just thought it was a really good deal. So I'm going to make that available on my website. Now, let's say that you are a little more advanced and you're looking for some other kind of tools. I got some other stuff here that I'm going to make available on my website as well. This tool, I'll show you mine. That's out of the package. So this is my tool. This is a high-tech chain nose plier with a spring. And this is the one that I use. I call this is like my cool, I call it my cool tool. I use this a lot for everything. And the reason that it is something that I reach for more than, say, a regular chain nose is because of the precision. I don't know if you can see that. This one is significantly wider and flat, and this one is significantly skinnier and pointy. And that's just a personal preference for me. It allows me to get into more little tight spaces. So if you're running into a problem, if you have this, but you're running into a problem, you might want to try one of these. And I will make this one available on my website as well. This one is $8.99. Oh, I don't know if I told you the cabin kit is $29.99. So for all of these things, so that's a great value. Then I have diamond glaze. I talked about diamond glaze the other day on this channel. When we made glass cabochons. I got just some little bottles of the diamond glaze for people if you were looking into doing some of the pendants. I am going to put together a couple of pendants to maybe go with the diamond glaze. These are $3.99 each, and I'm going to make them available on the website as well. But I got the little bottles because not everybody needs a great big bottle of that stuff, you know. And also, since I'm doing recommendations, in my opinion, you cannot live without E6000. This is industrial strength adhesive. So I use this for a lot of things, but I use it, it's really good for gluing on like a bail to a stone, or filigree to a pendant, or something in that effect. So if you haven't tried E6000, this is the little tiny tube. It's only $1.50, and I'm going to make that available on the website as well. So those are some of the things that I'm going to put up there. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more of these, please drop me a comment, a like, a share, something. Do all the things. Subscribe